Let's get it! Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on Bitcoin ETF gets released next week. And I'm going to go over some payment system coins that you need to know about. Alright guys, my name is Rod the Water God. On this channel I do videos on crypto, finance, and coins that you need to know about. So if you like content like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Alright, big news is the Bitcoin ETF futures. Okay, so the real question everybody really want to ask is, where do you think Bitcoin will go at? And if I'm in Bitcoin, where should I take profits? Okay, so TechDev had put out a chart sheet of the history and showed the past on what prices should you take profits at. That was, right on point. So if you guys do not know, the charts are showing that we're in extreme greed right now. Alright, so it's showing that it's 78 extreme greed, and that's the sign to start taking profits. Okay, you gotta start taking profits now, because for a week or two, you need to be expecting a dip, a 20% dip, okay, before we get to that 100,000. So let's see the market and see how the market is jumping today. So we got AMP is at up 15%. We got Olympias up 22%. We got Avalanche up 11%. Not too, big jumps, but definitely good enough. Alright, and we got Bitcoin in the last 7 days at 12%. But the top 5, let's look at who sleeped into this top 100. So we had Safe Moon just came into the top 100. Mina Protocol, you got Flow. Tailcoin is still at 92, and that's up 21% of the week. So guys, what I'm gonna go over today is the payment coins that's probably gonna take off before anything else. Okay, so this is just my opinion. Now, this isn't financial advice. So the two payment coins that I see is XRP and Tailcoin. Alright, that's just on my radar. Those are the ones that I'm invested in. But I think these coins are growing around the world, and that's what's going to make them take off the fastest. So let's look at XRP. So XRP is growing popularity in Australia, okay, according to reports. All right, so here it says, why is XRP so popular in Australia? So RippleNet, which is a network of banks and payment providers that partner with Ripple to allow users to access funds fast, is one of the reasons why the token has exploded recently in Australia. RippleNet was launched in Australia back in 2019 and has been growing in popularity ever since. Activity on the Australian corridor reached a peak back in May 2020. Alright, so it's relationships with the banking systems in like Australia, how they were able to set up these deals. This is a coin that gets talked about a lot. The SEC tried to do something, but trust me, this coin is powerful. This is one of the, they going up with the SEC and they standing toe to toe. So for a payment, sending money, XRP is probably your go-to guy. Alright, or Tailcoin. Now let's get into Tailcoin. So Tailcoin is same thing. It's a low cost money transfer. Okay, it's powered by the blockchain. Okay, the only difference between Tailcoin and XRP to me is because Tailcoin uses the Ethereum blockchain, so they're not really like on their own yet. You know how Matic was, and so I think once they get on their own and they're able to build other platforms on their platform, they're gonna be powerful. So yeah, they got it to where you can send money global. everywhere, and the popular place for this is South Africa. It's real popping for and Brazil with Tailcoin. So will these coins grow for the US and make the US got stuck there, make the US more if they can get more popular in the US? Okay, so if they can get popular in the US, I think it would be amazing for them. So these are two coins that I feel it's gonna be the best in the payment system. Now you also have Cody, so I'm also into Cody because I also think they're a good payment system because they just partner with Cardano. So when you're looking at this market, and right now you should be in your coins, it should be smart contract, payment system, wealth. If Bitcoin is just a wealth, it's just a way that you can move your money in time. Ethereum is like the gas. Okay, it's like the energy that we need to do certain things. And NFTs, you got to make sure you get into some NFTs and get into the NFT coins. So that's it for this market, man. We're gonna see some great fireworks. I hope everybody's making good money, able to do something positive with the money and help out with whatever they need. And remember, always invest smart and always take profit. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.